Let us learn theorem of areas of similar triangles. Theorem: when two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Let us consider these are two triangles. These two triangles are similar to each other. This angle are congruent. This angle also congruent. We know that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angle are congruent. We have given these two triangles are similar to each other. This theorem we can also prove by this method. Suppose the small triangle, the base of the small triangle is coincide to the base of the bigger triangle if their height are in a coincide to each other. Thus, like figure, we can get this our first triangle. In this triangle, two angle corresponding angle are congruent. These two angle are 90 degree. Hence, both right angle triangle are similar to each other by test AA test. Hence, this side is parallel to this side. By the BPT theorem, we can prove that ratio of these two segment is equal to the ratio of this two segment. Thus, in this figure, right hand side, both right angle triangle are similar to each other. Hence, by BPT theorem, we can write this ratio of this segment is equal to the ratio of this segment. We get the two equation by transitivity. If first ratio is equal to the second ratio is equal to the third, then we can say that first ratio are equal to the third ratio. And taking the dividendo, we get this theorem. For proof of this theorem, we have taken two similar triangle. First of all, triangle ABC and second triangle PQR. Triangle ABC similar to the triangle PQR, we have given that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angle are congruent. Here is for prove this theorem, we draw segment AC is perpendicular to the segment BC. Segment PS is perpendicular to the segment QR. Given triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. Construction: AD is perpendicular to BC. PS is perpendicular to QR. We have to prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. In triangle ABD and in triangle PQR, angle B and angle Q are congruent because we have given that both triangle are similar. This angle is a one of same congruent angle. Angle ADB is congruent to the angle PSQ is equal to 90 degree. This is our construction. Hence, triangle ABD similar triangle PQS by test AA test. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Hence, AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ. The reason is given, sides are proportionate. We have given triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. Hence, their sides are in proportion. This means that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. The given reason is sides are proportionate. But before this, AB upon PQ is nothing but AD upon PS. From above equation, we have right here AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. But area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR, their ratio is base into corresponding height. BC into AD upon QR into PS. But AD upon PS is nothing but BC upon QR. Hence we substitute the value BC upon QR instead of AD upon PS. Hence our next steps will be area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR into BC upon QR. Hence, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC square upon QR square. Hence, BC upon QR bracket square. But we have know that if two triangles are similar, then their sides are corresponding. Triangle ABC and triangle PQ are similar. Hence we have know that AB upon PQ is nothing but BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Instead of BC upon QR, we substitute the value AB upon PQ. Hence we get AB upon PQ bracket square. Thus we get AC upon PR bracket square. Hence we prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ bracket square is equal to BC upon QR bracket square is equal to AC upon PR bracket square.